Welcome back to the Backend Engineering series. In the previous episode, we learned how HTTP allows browsers and servers to communicate. But HTTP has one major problem. It sends data in plain text. Today, we'll understand how HTTPS solves this problem. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It is simply HTTP running over an encrypted connection using TLS. HTTPS ensures that your communication remains private, secure, and cannot be easily intercepted. Imagine sending a postcard through the mail. Anyone handling that postcard can read its contents. That's how HTTP works. If someone intercepts your network traffic, they can read usernames, passwords, and other sensitive information. HTTPS encrypts the communication between your browser and the server. Even if someone intercepts the data, they cannot understand it without the correct encryption keys. Before any secure communication begins, the browser and server perform a TLS handshake. During this process, they agree on encryption algorithms, verify identities using digital certificates, and establish secure session keys. Every HTTPS website presents a digital certificate issued by a trusted certificate authority. The browser verifies this certificate before trusting the website. This helps prevent attackers from pretending to be legitimate websites. Once the handshake is complete, all HTTP requests and responses are encrypted. The browser encrypts outgoing data, and only the intended server can decrypt it. Likewise, the server encrypts responses before sending them back. HTTPS provides three major benefits. Confidentiality keeps data private. Integrity ensures that data is not modified during transmission. Authentication verifies that you are communicating with the correct server. Whenever you log into your email, make an online payment, shop online, or access your bank account, HTTPS protects your personal information from attackers on the network. Today we learned how HTTPS secures communication using TLS, digital certificates, and encryption. In the next episode, we'll understand REST APIs and how modern applications communicate with each other.